jackpot. What are we going for? Big money, big money, big money, big money.
Early Saturday morning Expo day at Ragbrai in Sergeant Bluff, Iowa. Everyone is starting to slowly wake up from yesterday's travels, and we are all ready to roll.
Choice.
We're in camp here, and I want to share a quick opportunity we had to talk with the dance coach that was running a fundraiser at one of the local schools, because something you forget about these towns is this is such an important event for so many different organizations, and this particular organization is a dance team, and they are using this as a fundraiser pretty much for their entire year.
The fundraiser we're doing is for the high school dance team. We have 10 girls on our team, and they're working to raise funds for state competitions, costumes, choreography fees. So what we're doing is we're serving pasta to the Ragbrai riders in hopes that we fundraise enough for our season. Currently, they are reigning state champions in the show production category.
Wow.
We have 10 girls on our team, and then we obviously have the parents helping out too. But we recruited another local school, the East High, which is Sioux City East. Their dance team, the Raiderettes, they're here helping too.
Okay.